How to set reminders in Mint. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Mint's official website. Log into your account using your email and password. Next, once you are on your Mint dashboard, look for the Bills tab on the left hand menu and click on it. This section helps you track all your upcoming bills and payments. After that, you will see a list of your connected accounts and bills. Find the bill or payment you want to set a reminder for. If you don't have bills linked yet, you can add them by clicking on the Add a Bill button and entering the details. Once you have selected the bill, Mint gives you options to set reminders before the due date. Choose how many days in advance you want to be notified. This can be anywhere from one day to several days before the payment is due. Make sure to save your reminder settings so Mint can send you alerts via email or notifications in your account. These reminders help prevent late fees and keep your budget on track. You can also manage or delete reminders anytime by returning to the Bills section and adjusting the settings for each bill. Finally, it's a good habit to regularly check your Mint dashboard to stay updated on all your bills and upcoming payments. And that's it. Now you know how to set reminders in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.